Well, good morning Internet, I'm Devin from Broken Enduro. Today, something a little different. We're going to see if a complete total noob can rebuild top end on a 2018 KTM 350 EXC-F, and if I end up with a running bike or a pile of parts. Let's get started. So just fighting with getting this header pipe out of here, and in true KTM fashion you need to remove the shock or drop the swing arm, remove the shock to get this header pipe out. So that's pretty awesome. Just a heads up. Nailed it. Alright guys, this is what we got with a little over 200 hours. Little carbon buildup. I don't know exactly what's going on further in yet, but kind of see that. Ooh yeah! Thing was a pain to get out of there. And this is what the top of the piston looks like so far. Pretty funky. I don't know if you can see like how much crap is actually on there, but I don't know. Let's keep digging. There we go. Got it out. So far, so good. So cylinder looks pretty good. You still see the cross hatching in there. It's hard to see it on the camera, but there is a little wear line right there. Going down the side right here, but I don't feel anything on the surface. Same with that side right there. You kind of see that line right there in the middle. So I'm gonna clean this thing up, drop the new one in, go from there. New valves in, absolute freaking nightmare. Do not recommend doing it. Alright, got the cylinder in, got the top in, got the valves all adjusted, so I'm just going to finish bolting this thing down. I started off with the shims that I pulled out of there and then just made the adjustments from there. So just start putting this whole thing back together.
Oh, you guys going back?
Alright guys, so we're coming up to the moment of truth. Bike's almost put back together. That's a good look at the piston. A little bit of wear here on the side, but mostly just carbon buildup. There's the valves, pulled the valves out. And so I was able to do all of this with just basic tools everybody has lying around if you work on your bike at all, with the exception of the piston ring compressing tool and the valve spring tool. So those were like and they're not expensive. So while I've got the exhaust off, I'm gonna go ahead and repack the muffler, and then we'll finish putting this thing together. Not bad. All right, repack it. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. Things all mostly put together. Sounds like a running motor to me. Heck yeah! Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that one. I wasn't planning on recording it and making a video, but little John from the club is at home with a broken foot. Figured if nothing else, give him something to watch. So I was able to tear this whole thing down, rebuild the top end, and somehow it's started up, fired up, and runs. So I'd say that's a success. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, catch you on the next one. Later!